G'day guys, Chris here from Aquashield Bathrooms, the masters of shower and bathroom maintenance. Today's quick 60-second info vid is just to talk to you guys about shower screens and dispel one of the more common myths about shower screens. Now, keep in mind, I'm not talking about fixed glass panels. I'm talking about frame shower screens. They've got a front panel, they've got a return panel. It either has sliding doors, pivot doors. And why we need to take them off in order to seal joints below when we come to your home to seal your shower and stop it from leaking without having to pull tiles off. The very simple answer is this: shower frames are not designed to contain water just like a fish tank would. Water will get into shower frames and they're actually designed to let water into them. And if you can picture just how much water will run down your glass panels for the length of a 10-minute shower, that's a hell of a lot of water, right? What you need to keep in mind is that water will make its way through your shower screen and get down into those holes. Your shower will continue to leak. So the idea is to take it off, seal the joints below, put it back together again, and now you're going to be leak free. If you have any questions about your shower frame and or your shower that's starting to make you concerned, pick up the phone and give us a call on 34664982. Speak to one of my friendly girls in the office and book yourself in for a free lead check. We look forward to seeing you soon.